Imagine you're at the airport and your passport is missing. What would you do? This short story is for B1 learners. Listen carefully. There will be vocabulary, a short grammar note, speaking prompts, and a 5-question quiz at the end.
Alex arrived at the airport early, carrying a small backpack and a full mind. He stood in the long queue at the check-in counter and checked his phone for the 3rd time. After he placed his bag on the scale, he reached for his passport. And his heart jumped. The passport was not in his pocket. He felt a knot of panic. Alex retraced his steps. Restroom, coffee shop, security line. Nothing. He asked a staff member for help, and they made a quick announcement. While Alex sat near gate 12, a woman at a nearby table stood up and walked toward him with a small passport in her hand.
Excuse me, is this yours?
Alex felt relief wash over him.
Yes, thank you,
He said. They talked for a minute. She had found it on a chair and decided to wait. Alex learned to keep important documents in a safe pocket. As the call for boarding sounded, he smiled and waved goodbye.
Now, vocabulary cards. Passport. An official travel document with your photo and name. Example. Alex reached for his passport, but it was not there. Queue. A line of people waiting their turn. Example. He stood in the long queue at the check-in counter. Panic. A sudden feeling of extreme worry or fear. Example. He felt a knot of panic when he couldn't find it. Announcement. A public message, often made over a loudspeaker. Example. The staff made a quick announcement at the gate. Relief. A feeling of calm or happiness after worry ends. Example. Relief washed over Alex when he had his passport back. Grammar focus. Past continuous versus past simple. Use the past continuous, was, were, ing to describe background actions or what was happening. Example. He was standing in the queue. Use the past simple for single completed actions. Example. He found the passport. Speaking part. Retell the story in 1 minute. Use at least 3 vocabulary words. Role play. You are the woman who found the passport. Say, "Excuse me, is this yours?" and explain why you waited. Problem solve. What will you do to avoid losing important documents in the future? Say 2 sentences. Pause. Quiz time. Choose the best answer. Question 1. Where did Alex discover his passport was missing? A. At the coffee shop. B. After placing his bag on the scale. C. On the plane. The correct answer is B. Question 2. What word best describes Alex's feeling when he couldn't find his passport? A. Joy. B. Panic. C. Boredom. The correct answer is B. Question 3. What did the staff do to help? A. Gave him a new passport. B. Made an announcement. C. Called the police. The correct answer is B. Question 4. Which sentence is past continuous? A. He felt relief. B. He was standing in the queue. C. She handed him the passport. The correct answer is B. Question 5. Why did the woman wait at the airport? A. She wanted to keep the passport. B. She found it on a chair and waited to return it. C. She was the passport owner's friend. The correct answer is B. I repeat the answers again. 1B, 2B, 3B, 4B, 5B. If you enjoyed this story and practice, please subscribe to GlassLingo for more short stories and language lessons. Like the video if it helped you, and leave a comment with your retell or roleplay. I'll read and reply to as many as I can. Thanks for listening. See you in the next story.